Face masks are a great way to address a variety of skin issues, like acne and dryness. Natural, homemade face masks take already beloved foods and instead use them for cosmetic benefits. While your mask might depend on what ingredients you have lying around your pantry and refrigerator, there's no shortage of options. Figure out what your skin needs and create an all-natural mask to pamper those issues away. Mix avocado and honey to help hydrate dry skin. Slice an avocado in half and remove the central pit. Scoop out one half of the avocado and place it in a small bowl, along with 1 tablespoon. Use lemon and olive oil to exfoliate and hydrate your skin in one go. Accomplish 2 things at once by mixing together 1 lemon's worth of juice with 0.25 cups 59 milliliters of olive oil in a small bowl. Stir the ingredients together until they're thoroughly mixed before spreading the oil mixture onto your face. Use your fingertips to apply the mask in parts. Use short, circular motions as you rub the mask into your skin. This makes the exfoliating process more effective. Try almond oil if you prefer not to use olive. Let the oil mixture soak into your skin for around 10–20 minutes before washing it. Scrub off dead skin with a mix of brown sugar and coconut oil. Combine 2 tablespoons 25 grams of brown sugar with 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of coconut oil and mix them together thoroughly. Use the tips of your fingers to dip into the brown sugar mixture and apply it over your skin. Apply it in circular motions to exfoliate any dead skin cells from your face. For maximum effect, let the mask sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. This mask is especially good for people with dry skin. Add orange juice to a mashed banana for glowing skin. Peel a banana and slice it in half. Place 1/2 of the banana into a small bowl and mash it with a fork before adding 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters of honey and orange juice. Apply the mixture directly to your face with your fingers, covering all portions of your skin. Leave the mask on your face for around 15 minutes before washing it away with lukewarm tap water. Don't worry if the mask seems lumpy, as that's an inevitability of working with bananas. The best part of this mask is that it's great for any type of skin. Combine papaya and honey to even out your pigmentation. Balance out your skin by mixing 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters and ½ cup 115 grams of mashed papaya together in a small bowl. Continue stirring until the mixture is smooth and can easily be applied to your face. Scoop some of the mask mixture onto your fingertips and rub it all over your face. After you've finished applying the mask, let it sit for 15–20 minutes before you rinse it off with cool water. Make sure you apply the mixture to dark spots on your face. Combine yogurt and honey if you're aiming for smoother skin. Stir 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters of plain, unflavored yogurt with 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters of honey and 1 tablespoon 6 grams of turmeric. Mix these ingredients together thoroughly until they create a consistent mixture. Scoop some of the mask onto your fingertips and gently rub it over your skin so it covers all parts of your face. Feel free to leave the mask on for around 10–20 minutes before washing it off with cool water. This mask is great if you're aiming for smooth, soft skin. Achieve softer skin with a mask of strawberries and yogurt. Trim the stems off a fork, 5 ripe strawberries and mash them up in a bowl. Mix 3 tablespoons 21 grams of ground almond powder into the strawberries, along with 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of plain yogurt. Use a spoon to mix the ingredients together. Apply the mask all over your face with your fingertips, and let it sit for at least 10 minutes before rinsing it off. After making this face mask, be sure to apply it within a day, or else the ingredients might go bad. If you plan on applying this mask later in the day. Stir orange juice and egg whites together to shrink your pores. Separate an egg white from the yolk and dump it into a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon 4.9 milliliters of orange juice along with ½ a teaspoon 1 gram of turmeric powder. Beat the egg whites, juice, and powder together until they form a liquid mixture. Use the tips of your fingers to spread ample amounts of the mixture all over your face. Let the mask sit for 15 minutes before rinsing it off with cold water. Blend cucumber and yogurt together to soothe your skin. Peel the cucumber and slice it into thin, circular pieces. Next, place these slices in a blender along with 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of plain, unflavored yogurt. Puree the ingredients until they're thoroughly mixed, then pour them into a smaller bowl for easier application. Use your fingertips to rub the mask mixture all over your face, and let it sit for at least 15 minutes before washing it off with cold water. Refrigerate any of the leftover mask mixture in an airtight container. Enjoy using this mask for up to a week. Get rid of blemishes with a honey and chamomile mask. Use 2 bags to prepare a cup of chamomile tea. After the tea cools, pour at least 3 tablespoons 44 ml of tea into a small bowl of 1 tablespoon 15 ml of raw honey and 1 teaspoon 6 grams of nutritional yeast powder. Stir the ingredients to ensure that the mixture is thick enough to apply to your face. After rubbing it onto your face with the tips of your fingers, let it soak into your skin for about 20 minutes. When you're ready to remove the mask, wash it off with cool water. If you'd prefer a spicier route, mix 2 tablespoons 30 ml of honey with 1 teaspoon 64 grams of cinnamon instead. Try to only use fresh strawberries when you're making a face mask. If the strawberries are rotten, they may not be as naturally effective. It depends on ingredients you're using, but usually, yes. For example, a mask made of cucumber and plain yogurt can last up to a week in the refrigerator. If you're allergic to any of the products above, don't use them. And if you have highly sensitive skin, be cautious. These face masks should not have any negative effects on most people's skin, but people have different sensitivities.